In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to cancel your YouTube Premium membership. Let's get started. YouTube Premium offers great benefits like ad-free viewing, background play, and the ability to download videos for offline use. But if you no longer need these features, you can cancel your subscription anytime. Launch YouTube. Navigate to You page, click on the gear icon. Here, head over to the option Purchases and Membership. Here you're going to find a list of all your active subscription. Tap on YouTube Premium to open your membership details. Once you're on the premium page, you will find the option to cancel your membership. Tap cancel and YouTube will ask you to confirm your decision. If you proceed, your premium benefits will continue until the end of your current billing cycle, after which your subscription will officially end. To finalize the process, simply confirm by selecting yes, cancel, and that's it. You have successfully canceled your YouTube Premium subscription. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.